Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. We are finally in the month of December and I'm so excited because Christmas is just around the corner. Now, one thing about Christmas, like this time of the year, Christmas time and everything, is that whether you like it or not, you're going to have to interact with people. Like, even if you're not going out to do anything, even if you choose to stay at home, people will come and visit you. So you really cannot escape like meeting people and like interacting people at this time of the year. And this is not the time for you to be looking shabby and to be looking unkempt and to be looking like not be looking your best, because you never know who you're going to meet. It can be your ex, it can be a family member, it can be like your husband for those of you that, for those of us that are single, you know. So like this is really not the time to not look cute. So I decided that for this month, like from now, because today is the 1st of December up until the 25th of December, I'm going to bring in you guys different cute hairstyles that are very easy to do, that are protective, like they are going to be protecting your hair, because we don't want to be looking cute and to be damaging our hair in the process. So the styles I'm going to be showing you guys from today to the 25th every single day, you guys should expect one video from me every single day. I'm going to be showing you guys a hairstyle every single day that will be easy to do, cute, and will also be protective. So I'm really excited about this series because this is actually the first time that I'm going to be posting every single day on my channel, like for that long, for like up to 25 days. If you guys are interested, then you guys should definitely stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing you guys like so many cute hairstyles that you have no idea. Like, this is going to be so exciting. So today, this is day one of the series. I'll call this my Vlogmas. So even though I'm not going to be vlogging, so it's just going to be about like bringing you guys a new hairstyle every single day from now till Christmas. Like this year, basically, I've not actually been creative when it comes to hairstyling. Like the temporary lock style that you guys love so much, I actually came up with that style last year. So like this year, I've not done any I've just been so boring with my hair, like, to be honest. Like, I've not really been creative with my hair. So I hope like this whole Vlogmas will push me to like kind of think out of the box and bring to you guys like creative content. I'm very excited about this, and I hope you guys are going to stick around and watch my videos every single day. So if this is your first time here and you want to see more videos from me, you want to see how far I can go and how cute the styles that I'm going to be coming up with are going to be, then you definitely want to subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my videos in this series. So without any more talking, let's jump straight into it. So the first style I'm going to be doing today is a very easy style. This is actually probably going to be the easiest style in this series. First thing you want to do is divide your hair into 2 equal parts. Yeah, you want to divide your hair into 2 equal parts. My hair is actually how I got to this point then. I wore my hair in the wash and go for like 3 days. Then I got tired of the wash and go, so I re-wet my hair, like got my hair soaking wet again, and then I put my hair in 5 or 6 braids. And so this morning I just unraveled the braids and this is the result. So yeah, that's what we have going on right now. This is what it looks like. So you're going to use your rat tail comb. Let me go ahead and get my rat tail comb. I'll be back. So yeah, I brought my rat tail comb. So you're just going to go ahead and part your hair. I actually have a part. I already parted my hair before. So let's not just pretend like I did this earlier. So you're going to use a rat tail comb to part your hair. I actually parted my hair with a rat tail comb. So I have 2 equal parts right now. What we are going to be doing now, we are going to be doing flat twists, like 2 flat twists, 2 chunky flat twists. You can use flat twists. You can also use cornrows, but I recommend using flat twists because I feel like flat twist is easier to do. Like, it's easier for most people to do. Also, flat twist will give you more volume, and like I just feel like flat twist puts less tension on the hair than cornrows. So that's why we're going to be doing flat twists. So you bring out like a portion of hair, you know, divide into 2, and then you just start to twist. But as you're twisting, you're taking like chunks of hair, adding it to the hair, then twist, Let me come closer. So you're twisting, but just as you're twisting, you're taking chunks of hair and you're adding it like to the one under, then you twist. So you're taking chunks of hair. I like to take some chunks from the upper portion first, and then after a while I start to take chunks from the lower portion. This just gives me better grip of my hair. So now it's time to add from the lower portion. I feel like this just gives like a neater result, as opposed to if you're just taking all your hair at once. So I twist until when I have just like one more clump of hair to add to the twist, and then instead of twisting, I just kind of like arrange the hair in such a way that it forms a braid, and then I just start to braid. I find that this helps to just like make the flat twist stay in position, because if I twist all the way to the end, then like it's not going to stay firm. It's not have like a firm finish. So that's why I like to do it this way. I learned this from Abby Coils. She has a YouTube channel and she also has an Instagram page, so you can check her out. So I just go ahead and braid all the way to the end. So we've done the first. Now let's go ahead and do the second. So for those of you that did not get what I was doing the first time, I think let me explain better. So you bring out like a portion of hair, divide that into two, and then you just start your twist at the root twist. Then when you want to continue your twist, you take some hair from the rest of the hair, add to that section before you twist it up. Then you take some hair, add it to it before you twist. So that's basically the technique. As you're twisting, you want to try as much as you can to maintain like a strong grip of your hair, so that like the flat twist will be firm and like it just looks better that way. So you add to it, to this, before you twist. I like to take sections from up first, then after a while I start to take sections from down. That just gives me better grip of my hair. So now it's time to add from here. Then let's go on from up. Then I twist until I have just one more clump of hair. Then instead of twisting, I just arrange it in the form of a braid, 3 portions, and then I just start to braid just to make the whole thing stay in place. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going ahead to just brush my edges so that it just lay nice and cute. Like this style is so nice because you can dress it up, you can dress it down. So what I'm going to be using to spice up the look, is like my hair accessories. Bend it, just like form a nice little bantu knot, and then you hold that in place with a hair cuff. Nice and cute. Now I'm just going to go ahead and randomly insert some of the cuffs around. So I'm done doing everything, and you guys can see what my hair looks like. It's cute, it's nice. Like you can wear this for so many events, like so many occasions. Like it's very easy, and your hair is still protected. You can actually work with this, you can cook, you can clean, and your hair is still going to be intact. So this is perfect for people who are going to be really busy this period, but you still want your hair looking cute and nice. So let me go ahead and give you guys the back view. So that is the end of today's hairstyle. Tomorrow's hairstyle is going to be dedicated to our single ladies who want to attend events and like show up to parties and things like that with their hair looking on point, who want to enter a room and everybody will just stop whatever they are doing to admire the really nice hairdo that you have on. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. With that, we come to the end of this particular video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow in my next style series.